A reminder, it is still August here in North Texas, even though things have changed from where they were earlier this summer, where we had obviously no rain and it was just triple digit after triple digit temperature, and then the rain has returned and we haven't seen the triple digits since, and it's now the 10th wettest summer on record. What a crazy summer it's been so far. The other part of it's kind of been a crazy summer so far is we're in a La Nina, which usually means increased tropical activity. But the tropics have been really quiet, at least for the last couple months. We went all of July without a named tropical system, and so far this August, we have not had a named tropical system. We had two disturbances that moved from the Gulf of Mexico kind of into Mexico. One brought some pretty heavy rain to South Texas, and some of that moisture got slung up our way, and that's actually part of the reason why we had some of the rain this past week. But none of those systems were strong enough to be named. That's looking like it'll likely change as we head through the rest of the week and likely into September. So we'll see if this one area of low pressure out in the middle Atlantic, which has a 70% chance of developing into a system, forms before the end of August. If it doesn't, obviously, that means we'll have gone 2 months in a row without any sort of tropical activity. Regardless or not, it does look like things will start to become more active as we head into September. And that's pretty typical because September is usually our most active month of the year, at least in terms of tropical activity. The peak of hurricane season is on September 10th. A few other locations that we're monitoring, but this is the one of primary concern. And if it does form, looks like it's going to kind of track maybe north of these Caribbean islands here. If it was likely to impact any sort of the Caribbean, it would likely be maybe Turks and Caicos, Bahamas, and potentially the east coast of the U.S. None of that is guaranteed, though. I mean, this thing could just, end up curving back out into the open Atlantic. That's why it's just worth monitoring at this point. We'll see what happens with it. If it becomes a named system, it will likely be named Danielle. There you can see the ones we've had so far: Alex, Bonnie, and Colin. The rest of the list is right there, but only 3 named storms so far. All those happened back in June. UNT and Denton sitting at 79 degrees, nothing but sunshine there. Let's take you to Cedar Hill, where there's also nothing but sunshine. It's 79 degrees at the moment. I think we'll see some clouds develop today, maybe partly sunny by the afternoon, but not enough cloud cover to keep us cool. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s later today with a heat index value above 100 degrees. Most of those clouds will not turn into showers or storms, but a couple of them could. Maybe 10% coverage across the area. That's probably being a little optimistic. I think pretty much everybody will stay dry today. As we head into the upcoming week, the pattern becomes a little bit more unsettled. Some spotty to scattered rain possible tomorrow, but certainly not an all-day rain. It does look like the bus stop tomorrow morning will be dry, but coming home tomorrow evening, there might be a spotty shower or storm out there. Then as a front moves in, some maybe better rain chances tomorrow night and into Tuesday morning. All of Tuesday not looking like it'll be a rainy day, and then some scattered rain possible on Wednesday. So it's just kind of some rounds of scattered showers and storms over the next few days and pretty much the entire upcoming week. Nothing like what we saw this past week. Of course, there could be some heavy downpours at times, but not, 6 to 10 to 8 to 12 to 15 inches of rain at a time. In fact, totals across the area Monday through Friday, 1/4 to 2 inches when it's all said and done. Lower totals up near the Red River with some higher totals in southern portions of North Texas. So not an all-day rain every day this week, but each and every day there will be rain in North Texas, and a little cooler weather arrives by the second half of the week. And by the time we head into that Labor Day weekend, your temperatures will be only in the upper 80s. And there could be a little rain around for the Labor Day weekend as well. We'll keep an eye on that as we get closer.